Hi friends, for today Letter Sound Center, we're going to work on U and V. So remember, U is going to say and V says v, v. Now I'm going to remember the first thing I do is always the same. Look at the top and write my name. Now I'm going to practice writing capital U, so I'm going to start at the top, come around, and then lowercase u, I'm going to start at the top. I'm not going to pick my pencil up, I'm going to come back down. And then capital V, I'm going to go diagonal, come back, frog jump back to the top, and another diagonal. Lowercase v, same thing, but it's living under that dotted line. All right, let's take a look at our pictures. We have volcano, umbrella, violin, umpire, vase, unicorn, van, unicycle. So remember, U is a vowel. It is going to say or U, like in unicorn, and then V is going to say v. I'm going to cut out my strip of pictures, holding my scissors nicely and cutting out my pictures. My first picture is a picture of a volcano. I hear a V for volcano, so I'm going to remember just a dot, not a lot of glue, and I'm going to glue on my volcano. Again, friends, we're going to look for U is going to say or since it's a vowel, or U, V is going to say v. Your pictures are umbrella, violin, umpire, vase, unicorn, van, unicycle. Do your best, and I will see you back for Writing Center.